former President Bush Sr., former President Bush Jr., presidents of the USA.
Wow.
And other hospital here is called the Memorial Hermann Hospital. It is the trauma center of Houston. And next to it is Bentab General Hospital, also a trauma center, but more of a public sector. Memorial Hermann is the trauma center for the private sector, and that is where the main helicopter for the helicopter ambulance is in Texas Medical Center.
Wow, look at those.
So this Texas A&M is a new building, engineering medicine, where the mostly AI computerized technology is being exposed to. And this Texas Children's Hospital, and this is Texas Women's University, one of the nursing hospitals here. Here is Texas Children's Hospital, which used to be exclusively for children, but they opened the Pavilion Tower 2, which is now catering for the moms. So it's like a maternity hospital. So they can just walk in the walkway from the Children's Hospital to the Women's Center for the women needs, for the pavilion for women.
First be alone, so
So this is the medical center. This is the street where all the hospitals, all these are hospital buildings, are intertwined and connected together by walkways and underground. They also have underground passage so that the doctors can walk in and out from one hospital to another easily. These buildings like this are parking buildings for parking spaces. Buildings itself like this are only for parking spaces. And majority of the hotels help house patient family members, especially if they are long-term patients that have to stay for several days. Most of them are out-of-towners or out of the country even, so, or out of state. So a lot of them seek medical treatment here because of Medical Center in Texas, Houston, being well known for all the areas of medicine. Next up is Rice University, here to the left.
Ano yan? School or?
It's a university almost close to being universities like Harvard and Ivy League universities. So it starts from this corner and it'll end several blocks down because it's like the UP campus. Or it's like a city in itself. It holds several blocks around. It goes all around that way. And so again, this is another parking lot building. Parking lot lang siya pero building siya, ilang floors. Because that's, you know, they need to hold how many cars for not just the employees and patients but also the visitors. So this isn't just hospitals.
But they're not for free, ma'am.
Oh no, you have to pay. Yes.
Okay.
But some of them, if you go visit a clinic, they will stamp it for like that they will that it'll be free if they're affiliated to where if you stamp it, it can be free.
May AFM.
So next up is the Memorial Hermann Hospital, the trauma center, which has a museum inside. Because of the history of the hospital, it's been here for several years. I know that for a fact because I took my aunt there when she came to visit my dad when my dad was in the hospital there. And I was surprised myself that there was a museum inside. And I bring that up because next to the medical center is the museum district. So it's museums close to each other, different museums. And it's free. And that's one of the prominent things about Texas because we have very nice museums. And we also have a theater district for the theaters, like the arts.
Ma'am, by the way, this area, ma'am, is just like UP, ma'am, no?
That's what they said last weekend kasi daw sa mga puno. This is still part of Rice University. Rice University pa rin ito. Over here to the left is Hermann Park. Hermann Park. It's like very big talaga. Tsaka bago ng ano. And then over there you see the fountains. It's like the rotunda. So people from the hospital can take a walk here in the park and just, you know, forget their worries about the medical conditions. And even the employees can do their walking.
There's a train over there, oh.
Yeah, it's like light railway transit. LRT? Diba may LRT sa Pilipinas? Yeah. So that's like an LRT here that runs through back and forth downtown and medical center. So
that's
pabalik-balik
my
lang
fountain, guys. Oh.
Yeah, yan ang rotanda. So that's famous for people taking pictures there for like debut, cotillion, quinceañera, weddings.
They do that also here.
So dito part na yan ng museum district. And this is Zaza, very expensive hotel. And this is Museum of Fine Arts to the left. Kita nyo, pati yung puno, may gold sa gitna. Art na yan. So itong dalawa, kita nyo yung mga ganyan, mga painting. Yan, Museum District na ito. You see a lot of people walking around crossing in the street kasi puro itong museum.
Yeah, so this is now Houston because there are people now walking.
And then, tabi-tabi din ng mga ibang denomination na churches. This is St. Paul's Episcopalian. There's a Presbyterian and
walang vegetarian.
Vegetarian. So we're heading towards downtown once we pass that Freeway 45. So all this here, doon mostly ang mga different museums. So I'm not gonna go in there next time na yan. Pero just to give you an idea.
Yeah, at least ma'am, we saw na the Houston downtown.
Yeah, stop ko na kasi tour guide pa, nag-enjoy ba kayo?
Yes, of course. Ano ba to? Kaniyang
orang na-amaze
intermission.
Intermission.
Yeah. This portion is brought to you by Efficacent Oil.
Downtown. Kasi here there's an uptown, midtown, and downtown. Okay?
Kami nasa uptown.
No.
Saan kami?
Outskirt.
Outskirt kayo, suburbs. Nasa suburbs kayo. Yeah. Ito, mga homeless itong dito. Kunan nyo rin yan.
Mga homeless.
Outliers kami.
Yes, suburbs. So, I'm gonna make a turn here because this main street is gonna turn. Kita mo, railway na yan. Kakabit na yan para sa railway downtown. So, we need to be on the street. Itong building na ito was run down. It was an empty building before. Ngayon, ginawa na nila, gi-improve nila. It's like an IT center. It's like different offices, you know, different people with different businesses, personal business can rent a space there. And then the parking lot building over there has plants.
Yeah.
So they're trying to be sustainable. You know, kasi meron din daw yata yan sa Philippines na ngayon. Kasi like Singapore and Korea, they have parking spaces na may mga tanim to make it sustainable. Downtown is starting to be sustainable and earth friendly, so they're trying to be green.
Squirrel.
Tawid tayo. Okay, we're now on San Jacinto. Talagang papunta na ito ng downtown.
Yeah, look at yun yung sustainable yung binanggit niyo po.
Alin?
The
yeah,
park.
the parking. Yeah, kita mo may plants. Are you recording still?
Yeah.
Ayan o, kita mo mga kanto-kanto dito, may mga artwork. Also, part of the artwork here are walls that are painted with murals. You know, yung mga paintings sa wall, mga murals. Marami yan dito sa downtown. Downtown before was makatakot and scary to walk around kasi maraming homeless and hindi siya friendly.
Safe.
Now, with all this apartment and condominium buildings popping up, it's like nobody's scared anymore. Everybody's walking. You know, it's like hardly any homeless trying to scare you. So meron na siyang ulit alive na uli ang downtown kasi busy na sila, ganun. And this is Houston Community College. That's where I got most of my education. Community college lang, pero you know, college pa rin, education pa rin. So further up are the tall buildings in downtown, mga hotel, mga corporate executive offices. Exxon used to be there, Shell, what other, yung mga may lang trabaho, And so a lot of the places here are like bars and restaurants along this street before we hit downtown itself.
Parang downtown na yung nadaanan natin ah.
Medical center pa lang yun. Ito lang downtown. Ito na yung mga building nakita ninyo sa skyscraper.
Mga skyscrapers.
Kita mo naman yung hotel na yun. Oh. Kita mo yung may ano siya.
Black Swan.
Anong tawag yan? May above rooftop deck na rooftop garden. Yan. Ayan, mga mural.
Yeah.
Kita mo yan, may mga mural na dyan. Lalo na pag downtown mismo talaga mas maraming mga mural doon. Yung magaganda na artistic. So yung kanina nakita ninyo yung atip ng George R. Brown, atip ng Toyota Center. Ngayon nakikita ninyo yung paligid nila. I'm gonna take you to where you can actually see the building itself. If you can see, there's a steeple there with bells. That is the church. I'm gonna allow you to stop by and just make a visit, quick pray or ilaw ng kandila. Yes, kasi ang structure sa loob, you're just gonna get blown away. Ang mga decoration, ang mga like the way it was, bagong-bago yan, like you know, in the 2000s, and like yung cross is like ano,
Co-Cathedral.
Yeah, Co-Cathedral Church. That's our last stop bago ko yung ihatid. That's my signature.
Mosh. Ano po, pumunta tayo mo siya? Okay ka lang, Mosh?
Okay lang.
Yeah.
Ayan o, kita nyo? Art na yan, mural na yan. Kita nyo yung wall, oh?
Yes.
Ganda, no?
Yo,
yeah.
Mural.
Kinunan mo? Hindi. Ayun pa, oh. No?
Kasi ang school ko dati is Jesuit school.
Oh, that's Catholic.
Yeah. Ateneo.
Yeah.
Wow, high-rise buildings, oh. Grabe, oh.
Kabot yun mag-downtown.
Yeah.
Sabi nyo na talaga, nandito na kayo sa States, ha?
Yes, this is Houston.
Yan, Southwest College of Law. So, these are offices, bowling alley sa taas. This is part of the mall. Mall itong dito, tsaka mga restaurants na mga high-end, mga mamahalin na restaurants. Kasi nga mga executives, ano na ito. Ayun, George R. Brown, I'll take you there. Ayan ang mga sexy. Ayan o, part din ito ng mall. Ito ang downtown mall. It goes, meron silang basement, underground, and then ilang stories yan sila paataas. So kita nyo maraming naglalakad.
May mga tao-tao.
Downtown is busy. Kasi maraming mga pasyalan dito, yung mga restaurants, people eat. I didn't know this until last weekend when I drove the other group here. Dito naman mga courts, judiciary and justice system, mga court offices, mga mga abogado,
mga hustisya.
Correct. Itong mga building dito. Kaya pati yung street is
Justice Street.
Yeah, parang yun na yun. Ingana na jud na. So this is downtown, guys. Dito sa downtown, one way ang streets. As you can see, we're all going that way.
Yeah.
And then you have to pili ka saan ka maka-left, saan ka maka-right. So this one's left and we're gonna go right so we can turn around. Okay na ba? Super?
Okay na. Oh, ganda ng mural din. Oh, look at those. Oh, wow.
Ganda, no? Enjoy kayo sa art, no? Ma-enjoy rin kayo mag-drive lang dito. Big difference talaga mag-drive dito ngayon versus last week kasi Sunday halos walang mga kotse usually may libre. So up ahead is the Minute Maid. Yung nakita ninyo na active kanina. Ayan o, halos puro courthouse itong dito. That's why I said it was the judiciary system. Kita nyo, $20 ang public parking dito.
Ay, mahal.
There must be a game. So yan na yung dulo. Ito na yung side ng ng Minute Maid Park.
So, yun guys.
Ayan, may mural pa doon, no? May mural pa doon, no?
Oo. May bata doon, no?
So, this is downtown. Ayun, kita mo yung mural na yan, no? Ang taas.
Oo, nasa ano siya.
Kita mo.
Parang entire building.
No? Yeah. Ano lang yan? Parking garage lang yan. Ikaw naman ang picture?
Yeah.
Na-net tour lagi.
Oh, na-net tour. Si Sir O may sariling mundo.
Oo, yung paa niya.
Diabetic siguro.
Yung mga badlongon, isog kayo sila gawas. Masking nakaingana, gawas gihapon.
Sorry.
Oh wow, this is $30.
So
That's $40.
What's that there?
Parking. That's the Minute Maid Park. That means there's a game today. Kita mo maraming naka-orange. Oh my God. Astros, baby. There's a game. $40 for parking.
What?
The closer you are, the more expensive. Oh, you're seeing the busyness.
So there's a game kay parang busy
Astros game. Yes, you're seeing the busyness of
look
the.
at those buildings. Amazing.
Ayan, $40 pa rin. Grabe yung parking. Ayun pa, Muriel. Look at the wall.
Wow.
Ganda, no? Ayan, no? Tall building talaga siya, oh.
Okay. This is very Houston.
Sulit ba?
Yeah.
Ayan, mga naka-baseball outfit na sila, mga ganyan, oh.
Baseball yung laro sa Minute Maid ngayon?
Yeah, orange and blue ang Houston Astros. Nakadalawa na yata sila na winners sa sa national yan eh, national team. Sino ba yung nagtanong kanina na may games dito ng national? Ikaw, no? Hilom lagi ka.
Ma-amaze ko sa imong narrative. I'm listening and digesting your narrative.
Muro siya naminaw ka ng one podcast ba?
Oh, tanawa sila tanan, oh, no? Lingaw sila. Oh, ito ang the other canto of the Minute Maid. This is the end canto. Oh my gosh, I can't go that way.
Oh, this is
ayan. Yes, that's one of the oldest church. Yan yung tinuro kanina. Magsimba ka dyan, kailangan ka talaga naka-cover yung ankle, naka-cover yung talaga.
As in?
Para kang madre. Pati naka-veil. Yes, stricto. Hindi basta-basta. Itong suit ko ngayon, hindi ako pwede makapasok dyan. Ayan, tinan mo mga suot nila, naka-orange. Guys, this is the height of how it's like when there's an Astros game. Ito mga Astros fans. Lahat yan, pupunuin yan. Yung, I forgot the capacity. I-google nyo na lang ang Minute Maid Park, Minute Maid Stadium for the Astros here in Houston, Texas. So, I'm glad that I did pass by here for you all. Makita ninyo ang busyness ng fans ng Houston.
First time ko nakita ng ganun kadaming tao sa Houston.
Naku, hindi pa yan.
Ano?
Ka-orange din sila.
talaga sa labas.
Ito yung private school ng church na yan. For girls. Incarnate Word Church yan eh. So ito, parking lot lang din yan, ha? Parking lot lang din yung building na yan. Yan na yung George R. Brown Convention Center na pinakita ko sa inyo kanina doon sa taas tayo. Tapos ito yung hotel na sinasabi ko na may doon pala sa kabila ang tawag niyan? Yung parang I forgot what floor yung pool na Texas shape. Kita mo yan? Level up? The Muriel? Daming Muriel, no? Makalingaw ilang mga Muriel, no? I'm happy that you get to see the business of the because ito yun. So the whole block is Incarnate Word Church and school. Private school for girls. Exclusive. You know? Yan, building yan. Mga parking building lang yan.
Nakita na rin ako ng tao. Ay, salamat. Meron pala talagang tao.
Lingaw diri inig Pasko kasi colorful mga trees paggabi naka-light. It's so nice. Masarap mamasyal lang, mag-drive lang.
Siguro pag mag-Uber ka dito mamahal mo na no.
Ay, tawagan niyo na lang ako.
Mamnet, Christmas Mamnet, pasya tayo Mamnet.
Malay kung minimum Mamnet.
Magkapit-kapit ta Mamnet. Kami lang batch 3 Mamnet.
Batch 3 May pangalan na sila. Okay. This is, tingnan mo may kalesa. This is Green Park. Discovery Green Park. Green as in green. Earth friendly. Sustainable. Okay? Like walang plastics dyan, walang straws dyan, puro paper lang. like brown paper. I wanted to drive you here so that you can see yung stage na yan. Yung stage na yan.
May magko-concert dyan?
Nagko-concert at saka pag nakasayaw na rin ako dyan ilang beses.
Marriott.
Yeah, this is, kita mo yung atip? Kita mo yung pool. Yung pool na yan. Yun ang pool niya. Yan na yung Texas shape na pool.
Ayun sila,
kita ninyo. Tapos yan, mga parking yan ng yung electric bike. Yes, I'm going. You wait because I'm touring.
Yeah. So guys, that's a Marriott hotel. That's the swimming pool.
That's Marriott Marquis with a swimming pool that has the Texas shape.
Alright.
Ito yung George R. Brown Convention Center. Ayan, punot dulo. Biggest convention center. Kita nyo, laban, dami.
Yung sa kabila, yung sa highway nakita natin yun?
Yeah, yung atip. Yeah. Ito ngayon sa baba, nakita ninyo. Maganda yung nakita ninyo kasi atip at saka ito.
Wow. Okay. Yeah, that's the one I saw in the YouTube. Yan structure na yan,
Gusto mo kuna ng picture na walang kotse sa labas?
Dito naman, dyan lang, ma'am.
Magkuha ng picture.
Dyan lang, ma'am. Okay na, ma'am. Yeah,
yan, Channel 11. Ayan, George R. Brown Convention Center. Makita ninyo yan.
Wow,
yan, structure ng art. Yeah, art din yan.
Look at that,
And then, I wanna tell you, itong structure dito, makita ninyo yung parang bilog. Bilog dito, tsaka bilog doon. When you, malayo sila, right? Pero kung nakaupo ka dito, nakaupo ka dito, you can hear each other.
Wow.
Yeah. You can talk and have a conversation kahit ganyan kayo kalayo.
Wow.
Because of the effect of the echo of the voice. Ito Hilton, kung nandito sila Hilton. So mapansin ninyo yung mga hotels, mga restaurants, connected sa parking lot at saka sa George R. Brown Convention Center at saka yung doon sa yung may baseball. Ito ngayon ang basketball. Dito
Toyota to.
Toyota. Yes! Wow! Galing! Alam na niya ang Toyota! Sige, matuyok na to. Uy, kay Redman. Unya, ang gihimo na ako, nanaog sila dire. Kanaog na ako sila dire. Unya, naghulat ko dito sa Pikas Kanto. Kaya wara-wara sila pa-picture dire. Ayan,
ay, mural po.
Yeah, because I can just kind of park. If you wanna go down and take a picture.
Adi na, dito na lang yun, ma'am. Kamu mag-picture, tanay?
Ikaw, di ka?
Adi na lang, dito na lang yun.
Okay, next time na lang. So, nagbaba siya dito, nag-picture siya tapos doon. Okay. Sige.
Pinagod mo kami sa shopping.
Pinagod, ha?
Okay na ka, ma'am Net.
Stop, I'm good. Oops. Reklamo na kong iro. Gibiyaan na po ko nimo. Lain na po di mong entertaining yung ending. Uli ni mo diri. Katulugan lang ko nimo.
You don't walk me.
Okay, see here. This is, okay, makapark ako dito. Makuha mo yan. Toyota Center.
Yeah.
Antayin mo na si Usher ang
Sinong Usher?
Usher, yeah, mag-post dyan ang concert. Teka, aparte pa ako isa pa. Para makita mo talagang nakasabi na Toyota Center. Kita mo yan? Toyota Center?
Yes.
Okay, yan.
Yes.
Baka mas gusto mo
Yes,
okay
Toyota. Okay na si Toyota.
Maverick.
Basketball.
Abangan mo si Usher.
Houston Rockets.
Wild on. Yes! You know Houston Rockets.
Yeah.
Basketball fan ka.
Opo, ma'am. Si Jalen Green, yung bilang.
Ha?
Jalen Green.
Dylan Green, yes. That's right. Fan ka nga. Okay ba ako?
May lugong Pinoy.
Correct. Na itim?
Opo.
Naga-Filipino Heritage Month din yan. Month din dito. Kita niyo yung mga building. Yan, talaga. Nasa downtown na kayo.
Yes, this is Houston.
Ayan,
thank you.
Yeah. Ganda, no? Houston Rockets.
Toyota.
Alright. Yan na.
So what can you say again, ma'am?
That's the Net Tour. Downtown. Medical Center.
Yeah.
Minute Maid Park. Toyota Center. George R. Brown. Marriott Marquis. And Discovery Green Park. And the murals all over the walls in downtown.
And part 2 of this will be in December, right?
Sure.
Continuation.
Bye. Nalingaw mo sa akong story. Pila na good ko sige.
Ouch! What was that?
Oops. What was that? Oops. Na-miss ko yun Kasi iniwasan ko itong kotse. Marquis. M-A-R-Q-U-E. Okay.
Swimming pool, Texas.
Texas ties. Yes. So ito, as hospital within itself, ilang blocks ito, puro St. Joseph Hospital. It's the only hospital here in downtown. So ito, building niya, parking lang yan. Parking lang yan. So this is a private hospital pero parang public. And it has its own St. Joseph Street. Tapos yan ang kanilang parang mini park sa loob. And mental hospital.
Ay. Ayaw namin doon.
Oh, so ayan oh. The Center for Behavioral Health. Mental hospital.
Behavioral health.
Correct. Yeah. Mental ra dito. So now you're gonna say hi to Jesus. I think there's a mass going on at 5 o'clock. So in and out lang kayo kasi hindi man tayo nakaumpisa ng misa. Bisita lang kayo, okay? I-park ko kayo sa may ewan ko kung makapark ako sa may walang park. Walang tao. What happened? Well, okay, I usually park kung walang parking doon sa handicap. Dito ako mag-park. Pero i-drop off ko kayo doon sa may handicap. You have to walk to the front, okay? Yung front door. Pasok. And dito na rin kayo magbanyo as it has so many stalls.
Libre.
Pati banyo maganda. Oo naman. Ba't sasabi mo yung nagbabayad? Sa Europe lang, meron ba sa Pilipinas nagbabayad?
No.
Oh, really?
All the CRs are may bayad.
Ayun pa, kita mo yung real niya.
Okay, sa video.
Okay. So ito ang likod ng church. Ayan, tingnan niyo ang mural for the church. I am the bread of life.
6.
Ganda, no? I am the... Kita mo?
Yeah. Weekend masses, English.
Na 5 o'clock mas ron. Bisita lang mo ka dyan.
Madagkot lang ta.
Ma-amaze kayo sa
loob.
images kasi